This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Maxima. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a pass-through rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.